Hi, honey.
Hi, honey. Hi.
What we doing today?
We are going to play again.
Where?
I don't know.
Neither do I.
So let's go. Stick with us.
Okay.
See what we're doing.
Should probably introduce ourselves.
I'm Joe. This is Jeff.
So I'm taking a day off of work, and we're gonna go play. We don't know what we're gonna go do, but we're gonna go do it.
Yeah.
All right, for those of you that are new to this channel, we are running a contest to give away 2 Aventon cinch bikes like this. So all you have to do is watch the video and look for the icon like this, which is a little cinch bike, and it'll have a letter or a number or an image on top of that. So look for that and keep track of those throughout the video. Now those clues are randomly put in the video in any location. Could be at the beginning, could be in the middle, the end, or all of those things in there. But somewhere in the video you're going to see at least one clue. There's usually multiple clues, but look for it and remember what it is so you can enter it into the form. And then when you're all done, all you have to do is go to this link right here. I'll have it below, but you go use this QR code, scan it on your phone, and it'll take you right there, and you fill out the entry form to win the bikes. And at the bottom there, in the form, it's going to let you put in the clues that you saw from this episode. And don't forget to put that episode number. It's very important to organize your answer, whether it's right or wrong. So have fun, enjoy the video, and look for those clues. Remember, it's going to be a little cinch bike like this with a letter, a number, or an image on top of it. All right, back to the video.
All right, here we are. Where are we?
We are at Ghost Town. A Ghost Town. He
Peterson
surprised me. Mercantile?
Some gold place.
That's a mercantile.
It's a gold place, mine, ghost town type of place. Anyway, a friend of ours, Tina, and Darren suggested we come check it out.
So here we are.
So we're going to come check it out.
We're going to go to the saloon first.
And we're dropping her off while I go look at everything else. Okay. Here we go.
Come on. Walk this way.
All right. Welcome to the Apache Junction. That there was a gold mine here back in the late 1890s. That's still here. And the rest of this town was kind of built as a reenactment of what it was like to live in the Old West, sitting in the shadow of the Superstition Mountains. So in this little town, you've got some shops, a museum of reptiles that are from the area, a brothel up at the top of the hill, right next door to a church, and 3 saloons, one of which you're going to see we spend a little time at here at the end. Sit back, relax, and enjoy our visit to this ghost town. Hey, honey.
That was me.
Here's Joanne.
That was me when he met me. Now look. What?
You're having a hell of a time today, aren't you?
Was the famous Silver King mine was used to lower and raise men and equipment in and out of the main shaft from the late 1860s to the 1890s.
Great piece of information.
to America.
I like where it's from. I like it.
So I'm sampling an Alaskan, which
And
is
prickly pear.
a prickly pear margarita. All right, we'll be back.
So tell me a little bit about who this is, please.
This is Dan the man. Dan is from Turkey, an immigrant from Turkey, who runs and owns this establishment. And he runs around and says, "Love our country."
Diamondback.
You'll see some of his stickers around here and his little posters.
Yep.
He's clearly not happy with the current administration.
Dan, say hi.
Howdy, howdy, howdy. Welcome to America.
There you go.
Watch yourself, my brother.
Vote this November.
Vote Republican.
That's right, November 8th.
Or gas will be $10 a gallon.
And worse.
Yeah. And God bless Hobo Joe.
Yes.
Hobo Joe.
That's right.
All right. We're now leaving this establishment
So we made lots of friends.
to go out to the back door because Joanne had made a new friend. Let's go see what that's all about. Got it?
Enjoy yourself.
Hi. Hi, friends.
Sit down. Where's your drink at?
I finished it. I know. I was doing the same thing as you.
Sit down. Sit down and have one.
And have it.
Now that's a cowboy that's got spurs on. Horses, yes. This group of folks are wonderful people that we met here, and they rode their horses here. They do this twice a week, especially on Sunday. Apparently they spend a few hours here. There's 30 or 40 of them that ride each Sunday. At any rate, great group of folks. Gary, the one guy by himself here, has lived here most of his life, and the other couple are here from Nebraska. They're farmers from Nebraska and spend 7 months a year here in Arizona. Wonderful people. We really enjoyed meeting them. And these are the kinds of people we meet when we're out and about on the road and having some fun. All right, everybody. So, first of all, we got to apologize for the starts and stops in this particular episode. We're at a location that's great, but there's some noise.
Town.
We're at a ghost town, and you're going to see
It's
a lot
not a
of that.
ghost town because there's lots of cars.
Yeah, so there's not, unless they're driving.
But
Could be. Anyway, well, our channel is called My Bucket List Day. We try to live every day as if it's our bucket list day.
and be as true to ourselves, to you folks, as we can be.
Yeah, right. And we've been trying to share this with you, but we've noticed that every time we share content or a video that is talking about a national park we visited,
Oh, the beautiful places and sunsets that I
Waterfalls.
love. Yeah.
while we get a lot of comments from you on that and you love that stuff, we don't get a lot of viewership out of it.
What we do get a lot of viewership is
Every time we do either a maintenance repair and or new products or features like that,
the bikes.
and the e-bikes, we get a lot of content or viewers from that. So obviously our goal is to grow the channel, and
With
we want to
you.
give you guys what you want and what you're looking for. So today we're going to ask you guys to leave a comment below. Tell us what type of content you'd like. So we're begging you to leave the comment below and tell us what you think about that kind of content.
Yeah.
And yes, the e-bikes, we get thousands of views. When we talk about those, we do reviews and we do maintenance
Which we
repairs.
love, right?
And of course, then we have where I totaled Rick a year ago, a little over a year ago.
I wasn't there.
He wasn't there.
I
Otherwise,
watched.
It wouldn't have been totaled.
I would have told him what not to do.
Right. So in addition to that, we want to also introduce a new segment into our videos. And
Sorry.
you guys got to tell us if you like this or don't like this.
Yeah, because we think it's going to be fun.
Yeah.
It's just fun. If you don't follow what's going on, it's fun.
Yeah.
Funny.
And the segment is called People Say What?
What? Say what?
And what we're going to do is we're going to be sharing with you things that we see in the news, or things that we see people do
That
that
shouldn't
just
have been
makes you
done.
scratch your head.
And go, did they really?
Did they just say that? Is that what they meant?
And why?
So, in some cases, we're going to point out funny things. In other cases, we're going to point out just
Obvious.
plain stupidity.
Right. The obvious.
So-
Which we've all done, but
We hope you guys enjoy this new piece, and it's only going to be a little short little bit into each video.
yeah.
But we hope you like it.
We do it every day, so we thought, you know what? Let's share.
Yeah, some of them might be about her.
Say what?
Exactly.
First question. What country is the Panama Canal in?
I have literally no idea.
Oh my god.
What country? Panama? That sounds like Brazil. I don't.
Is Africa a country?
Africa is a continent.
I don't know.
What?
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 All right. Well, that's it for now. Don't forget to do all the things. Be the click
Be a
monster.
click monster.
Hit the like, subscribe, and ring that little bell.
And continue to leave comments, please.
Yes, especially about everything we just asked for your comments about. So that's about it for now. Thanks for watching. Make it a great bucket list day.
See ya.